Oh shit, he's done. Oh damn. I got no video. This is terrible. This is bad. This is really bad. Look, you hear the car? Oh shit, there goes another one. This guy's hitting every car coming down. Oh shit. Watch out, watch out! Oh Jesus. Oh shit, here comes another one. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you alright? That shit sucks. This sucks, dude. Look at your car. Is this your car? Look at your car! Oh my god. Your trunk. Oh my god, here comes more. They need to stop people up at the top. Over here by the safe towers. Oh my god, this is like... This is insane. Oh my god. You can make it up the hill with cars. I know it's like this. Oh shit. I'm about to slip. Oh shit, here comes this guy. Ah, damn. There he comes. Why did he really think... Not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. Yeah, another one in the next room. Oh my god. This is so bad. What the hell? Can you do it? Can you get down to the bottom?